motion. You have this motion. Then you want to tap 1, 2, 3, and hit. So you are basically moving your hand from the finger over here to your shoulder, second shoulder, and you hit. So this is a constant motion, it's a continuous motion. It doesn't stop whenever you are doing the Gouda. So you want to tap, 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 and hey. 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 And that is how you do the Gouda, guys.